Hey there, so today I'm going to give you a quick tour of a harbor model here in Watersong, which is part of Rivertown here in St. Johns County, Florida. And I'm going to show you a QMI. So if you don't know what a QMI is called a quick move-in, which means the builder is going to have huge incentives, whether it's closing costs, maybe they'll do a screened-in patio. They're going to give you some upgrades here that maybe you could buy down the rate. By the way, I am Gail DeMarco, and I'm a local realtor right here in St. Johns County. I'm kind of known here in Watersong. I've sold over 30 homes here in the last year, and it's a community I'm very, very passionate about. And funny enough, a lot of people buy these villas here, and then they go, I love it here. I'm gonna stay. Get me a bigger home. That's happened to about 25% of the clients that I've sold their homes. So we're gonna look at the harbor model. The harbor model is built by Mattamy. Mattamy's a huge builder here. And like I said, my mom lives here. I'm passionate about this community. Their amenity center is like phenomenal. I have a drone tour of Watersong with the amenities as well. So we're gonna go in here. I am right now on Pilton Place. It's 378 Pilton Place. And it is 2,554 square feet, a 3-bedroom with a flex room, 2-bath, and it is priced at $751,000, marked down from $809. And you may be saying, wow, that's a lot, but you get a lot for what you pay for here. So let's go take a look. Oh, wait a minute. I've got a phenomenal program I almost forgot about. It's called the Fly, Drive, and Buy program. So if you decide to fly down here, drive down here, and you go, you know what, I kind of like that girl. She's a little quirky. She kind of knows her stuff. She's also a little old, so she must know what she's doing. And you decide to work with me, I will reimburse you up to $2,500 in traveling expenses for driving, for gas, for hotels, for dinner, for airfare. I'll even pay for your cocktails. You get $2,500 when you work with me. So looking forward to chatting with you. My phone number, again, 904-640-8000. Let's go take a look. So when you come into the harbor model, to the right, you have your guest room. I love the smell of a new house, and your guest room has its own bathroom. And I really do like the tile going all the way up to the ceiling. Has a nice little closet, so if you have a friend coming, they can stay out of your way, give you the privacy, and they get the privacy. And then if you go to the left on the front door, immediately on the right is a guest full bathroom. And I love that. I wish I had one of these in my house. I have to walk all the way to the back of my house to use the restroom. Then we have like a little drop zone station, and then the garage is right behind that door. We have your drop zone, put your little doggy leashes. And then over here, we have the laundry room. Comes with a nice bank of cabinets. And this is what a lot of people use for an office when they buy this model. It's definitely bigger than the guest room. Now this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a flex room. I was just kidding. This is what they use for an office. What I like to do with this room is I like to put a Murphy bed with bookshelves right here. We have the HVAC in here. I'm gonna do a whole video on HVACs here in Florida. I've learned so much. So now we come into this nice, big, huge kitchen area. And I love a gas stove, and I love a nice countertop. So we see this a lot where the island is a different color. But I like the way they really match the backsplash. And I personally don't like a microwave over an oven. So for me, I'm very happy when I see something like this. So you have your dining right there. You have your microwave convection oven and your countertops. So they are giving you appliances now. They are Whirlpool. Not the top of the line, but definitely not the bottom. Nice big pantry. I always wanted a big pantry, and I have a big one. Now I'm like, why do I have 4 of everything? Okay, so I'm gonna walk out here. So we have 2 sets of double doors here. Nice light fixture, and I do like that you have all this natural light coming in from these top windows here. So you've got the lanai, and it's actually an extended lanai, so it wraps around the back, and I'll show you what that looks like. Now I've sold quite a few of these harbor models, and if you look at any of my sold listings online, you will see what that looks like. We'll save the outside for last. So here's the master. And here we go. Nice tray ceiling. I love the fact that we have all these large, tall, 11-foot ceilings. We don't have these short little 8-foot ceilings or 9-foot. And yes, praise God, there's a door in the bathroom. I've seen a lot of models where there's no door. Nice little shower. Nice big shower. And I like the way the counters are matching in the kitchen. Consistency is the key. So here's what I love. One of my clients put a beautiful dresser here and a big old mirror. It looks absolutely stunning. So you have it divided into his and hers, with a ton of space up there for suitcases. I mean, it goes all the way up. Okay, and let's walk outside. Just so pretty. I like the way they do the ceilings up there. And this one actually has a raised step. So I've had quite a few clients. They love this because then they extend the patio out. Got one doing one right now with a pool. Beautiful lot. Just kind of give you a back view. Now keep in mind, my main competition is Anatomy. They're the builders. When you're buying resale, you don't have to pay for your shutters. You don't have to pay for a lot of the things that these people have already done, but you don't get the incentives, and you have to just kind of do the math. I always tell people math is the path. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of one of the most popular models here in Rivertown called the Harbor Model. If you'd like any more information about this or some of the resales I have, I do have a couple of Harbor models right now available and a few coming soon, but there's nothing like the smell of fresh paint and a brand new home. So again, I'm Gail DeMarco. So appreciate you watching this video. And if you have any questions, just text me, call me. You know, don't sit back there, even if you're a year out. I don't care. I mean, let's talk about the market. Let's talk about different options. You know, if you're not interested in Watersong, I do a lot in Del Webb. I'm a huge fan of Del Webb's as well. I'm kind of, I guess, specializing in a lot over 55. So reach out to me, give me a call, 904-640-8000. Thank you.